What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Some more iPhone 12 Pro Max goodness. This stuff is from Spigen. I actually paid for these myself out of my own pocket, so nothing here is sponsored or provided to the show for review. So I did go out. I am a Spigen fan. There are certain models of Spigen that I like every release. So there are actually 3 of them. So I wanted to bring you the 3 of my favorite Spigen cases out there. Plus, why not? So Apple's not giving you a charge brick. So I'm going to recommend the Spigen PowerArc ArcStation Pro. So this is a very, very nice charge brick that will charge your phone. So it does have the 20-watt output, which you're going to need for charging your phone quickly. So let's go ahead and try to get this power brick out. Well, got a little thank you, and then the actual brick itself. And this is a well-priced 20-watt power brick. This is what you're going to want to charge your Pro Max. Okay, throw it in your bag. It's got the 20-watt right there. Boom. Now this is a Type C, because the cable you get with your iPhone is a C to USB, or a C USB to Lightning. Right here. This is the one that they give you. It's got Type C to Lightning. So you'll plug this into this, and this will charge your iPhone Pro Max at the speeds intended, and it's capable of charging. So I'm going to recommend that one. I know there's a lot of people out there recommending like the Anchor and some other ones, but for the price, this is a good one. Okay, it's from Spigen. Check it out. And obviously folds up, compact, throw it in your bag, you're good to go. Now let's focus on the cases. First case from Spigen. This is, again, for the Pro Max. This is the NeoHybrid. Okay, so let's take a look at the NeoHybrid. Easy to unpackage. And there you go, the NeoHybrid. Very nice looking case. It's got this little design that Spigen has in here to try to absorb shock for drops. Let's go ahead and plop her in here. And let's not do this behind, or let's do this behind the camera, so it goes a little easier. And there we go. Doesn't that just look kick butt? I just think this makes your iPhone look that much better. This is just an amazing looking case, and once it's installed, yeah, I got a lot of compliments from Spigen cases, like, oh hey, where'd you get that case? Because it just looks cool. It's like, I don't know, it just brings the iPhone to the next level, I think. And again, it's got real good protection. So I mean, it's not made to be like a big old rugged case or anything like that. It tries to keep the slim form factor of your phone and give it some protection and grip and stuff like that. So this is the NeoHybrid. Very, very neat. The next one is the Rugged Armor. So let's go ahead and pop this one open. And in the old design on the inside. So this one's a little more of the Rugged Armor approach. It's kind of a neat little design. It's got kind of a carbon fiber look down here. Obviously that's not real carbon fiber. Let's go ahead and install that. And again, they do try to keep their form factor to very, very slim, but they try to keep it with, let's go ahead and install it. Again, we're going to do this behind the camera so I can get it on quicker. And there we go. the Spigen rugged armor. Very, very nice looking design. Keeps your little apple visible, where the other one did not. This one was a solid back. This one has the apple, so you can keep that out there. Camera, plenty of protection. Get to the ports, no issues. There, push that in just a little bit. You can see the ports. Shouldn't have any problems getting anything in there. Very, very nice. And the camera's really got some protection on this one, as you can see. It's got a nice little area for the camera to be shielded back here, so I do like that. And I like the little carbon fiber look. Gives it a little style and class. So, and then finally, the last one from Spigen is the tough armor. All right, and one thing I really like about the tough armor is the kickstand that this one gives you. So I've actually really utilized the kickstand in the past. Now, this is actually a two-piece, I do believe. Maybe, maybe not. We changed it up a little bit. This one, let's see. Remove the TP from its PC frame, insert the kickstand design. So, I guess, okay, this is not sticky stuff, so we got to remove this from the frame. So it's a two-piecer, like I said. There we go. Let's take this behind the camera, and we'll install this bad boy, the tough armor. So we're going to put it in its, so we got it there, and then what we're going to do is just put this little shell over it. Look at that. Beautiful. And here, this is what I really like. A kickstand. Look at that. Watch your shows. It stands right up. You can even do it like this, right? Maybe? No. Just sideways. Just horizontal. Just like that. So you can sit there and watch your shows. A little more angle on that way. Boom. And again, your apple's wide open. Plenty of protection for your camera. It's got your nice little port spots here. Volume. Everything looks really, really good. Power. Beautiful. So, right there, guys. 3 awesome cases from Spigen that I highly recommend. And also their little power brick, the PowerArc. Alright. Again, check the show notes. I'll have links for all of the Spigen gear that you see in this video. And you can go and check them out. They also have other cases. These are just my 3 favorites. Maybe you'll see one that you like. They have a clear case. So if you just want like clear, so your beauty of your iPhone is still out there and you eliminate like the fingerprints on the side frames, the aluminum on the sides, you can get a clear case. I happen to kind of go with these 3 that kind of match my color of graphite. I think they do well blending in with the color of the iPhone and add some protection and some class. They look good. So again, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the show, and as always guys, thanks for watching and have a good one.